Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla fans believe Ford is the major OEM discussing full self-driving licensing. Tesla completes install of 68 Megapacks at Giga, Texas. 2 Tesla Cybertrucks spotted transporting from Giga, Texas. And there's a way to get a brand new Tesla Model 3 for less than $14,000 in California. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla fans overwhelmingly believe Ford is the major OEM that the automaker is in discussions with to license the full self-driving suite. Last week during Tesla's Q2 2023 earnings call, CEO Elon Musk said the automaker was in early discussions with a major OEM regarding the licensing of full self-driving. The move was not necessarily surprising, as Musk had said a month earlier that Tesla was happy to license either autopilot or full self-driving, as well as other Tesla technology. For example, we have seen various car companies adopt Tesla's North American charging standard, and Ford was the first to do so. General Motors followed. After Tesla's announcement regarding its early discussions with a major automaker, speculation persisted on which company was most likely to be in talks to license full self-driving. Tesla fans seem to believe it is Ford. Right after Musk made the comments, Teslarati posted a question on their Twitter page that asked followers who they thought it was. An overwhelming number of respondents said Ford. There were plenty of other companies mentioned by those who chose to respond, like Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, General Motors, and Rivian. Volkswagen and Tesla had a good and very public relationship when the German automaker had Herbert Diess at the helm. However, that relationship has cooled, but it does not mean the companies are not still on good terms and perhaps in discussions. Mercedes-Benz has a Level 3 system that has been approved for operation in Nevada, California, and parts of Germany. We would be prone to believe Mercedes-Benz would continue with the development of its own suite. General Motors has Super Cruise, which is also a successful program in terms of where self-driving efforts are in this day and age. CNBC's test of the suite revealed a Cadillac could be driven for an hour, in some instances, without ever needing to take control of the vehicle. Rivian, at least in our and many other perspectives, doesn't match the description of a major OEM. Moving to the next update, Tesla completes install of 68 Megapacks at Giga, Texas. Tesla has completed the installation of all 68 Megapack units at Giga, Texas, which have formed their own battery energy storage system, BESS. The Tesla Megapacks will store energy from solar panels on the roof of the factory. Jeff Roberts on Twitter has given a fresh update on the Giga, Texas construction. He said, Tesla has already installed all of the Megapacks planned for its BESS, located at the factory. According to the Texas LCRA document for this project, the BESS will consist of 68 Megapack units of 2 megawatt each. The total capacity will be about 136 megawatt. Thus, on Saturday, the company completed one of the most important milestones. Installation of all Megapacks took less than 1 month. This shows that large energy storage systems can be built very quickly to provide more people with renewable energy as quickly as possible. Tesla now just needs to connect the Megapacks, test the system, and put it into operation. At the moment, it is not known for certain how long this will take. The Texas Public Utilities Commission certified Tesla as the state's electricity supplier in a statement dated November 3, 2021. Since then, the company has already made an important contribution to the development of the state's energy system. Tesla pushed for major changes to the Texas power grid at all levels as it was in serious trouble. Representatives of the company, in collaboration with the Electricity Reliability Council of Texas, ERCOT, have done a lot of work in recent years to push for further changes in the ratification procedures in Texas to make its power system reliable. Moving to the next update, 2 Tesla Cybertrucks spotted transporting from Giga, Texas. 2 Tesla Cybertrucks have been spotted transporting from Giga, Texas. The factory has already begun production of the first units, and delivery is expected soon. Exciting news comes again from Giga, Texas. Drone operator Brad Sloan on YouTube managed to film the Cybertrucks. 2 units were being prepared for transport from the factory. Tesla tried to hide the trucks in the depths of the trailer, covering them with Model Y and curtains, but the drone operator still managed to notice them. According to the description, the video was filmed on July 22, Saturday. It is currently unknown where the Cybertrucks were heading. It can be assumed that this could be delivered to specialists in Fremont to evaluate the quality of the trucks coming off the Giga Texas assembly line. The pickup trucks could also be delivered to showrooms to be ready for presentation as soon as needed. Also, do not forget the simple possibility that the Cybertrucks may have been sent to pass the necessary tests. On July 15, Tesla celebrated a milestone: the production of the first mass-produced Cybertruck at Giga, Texas. The handover ceremony for the first trucks is expected to take place in August for the company's employees and later this year for the company's customers. According to unofficial data, Tesla has over 1.9 million Cybertruck pre-orders. Elon Musk has warned that only a small number of pickup trucks will be delivered this year. Until the end of the year, Cybertruck's production line at Giga, Texas will ramp up production to make a significant contribution to the company's overall vehicle delivery in 2024. Moving to the last update, there's a way to get a brand new Tesla Model 3 for less than $14,000 in California. There's a way to get a brand new Tesla Model 3 for less than $14,000 in California by stacking a bunch of incentives and discounts. To be fair, not everyone is eligible for all the incentives. With the combination of Tesla's prices dropping this year, higher incentives on electric vehicles, and an increase in average new car purchase prices in the US, Tesla's cheapest models are now starting to become somewhat affordable relative to the market. In fact, the average new car sale price is now $48,000 in the US. Tesla has 2 versions of the Model 3 and 1 version of the Model Y that start under that price, and that's before accounting for incentives. When stacking incentives and discounts, you can get a Tesla for fairly cheap these days, but a California resident pushed this idea to a whole new level, showing that you can get a Model 3 for just $14,000. Going by Zohar on Twitter, the new Tesla owner broke down how he came to that price. If configured brand new, the Model 3 rear-wheel drive starts at $40,240, but lately, Tesla has been offering discounts on new inventory models. Zohar found one for $37,120. On top of that, he took advantage of the $500 off through the referral program. Then he took advantage of an impressive list of incentives, which are as follows: $7,500 from CVRP, Clean Vehicle Rebate Project, $4,000 from the Electrify Your Ride program, from Central Coast Community Energy, $4,000 from the Monterey Bay Air Resources District Electric Vehicle Incentive Program, and $7,500 from the federal tax credit. That's $23,000 in incentives, and when combined with the Tesla discounts, it brings the effective price of the Model 3 to $13,620. Now, to be fair, you need to be in a fairly rare situation to qualify for all of those incentives simultaneously, since you need to have a federal tax burden to take advantage of the full tax credit while also having low enough income to qualify for CVRP. But Zohar proved that some people can take full advantage of all those incentives combined. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.